In this video, we will be showing you how to add a background to your template file, using the clipping mask tool. In the last video, we demonstrated how to log in and navigate around the workspace. We also showed how to add text and images to your design template. Please refer to the video titled Navigating the Workspace if you need instructions on getting started with the online design tool. Click the File tab in your workspace and select Open Local File. This should be a folder on your desktop where you have downloaded our template for your desired product. The template will load at the exact size the artwork needs to be for production. You can choose to remove the guideline text for a cleaner workspace, but this is not necessary. On the Design tab, select the image icon. To scale the image to the required size, grab the corner of the image while holding your Shift key to scale proportionately. Align the image as is necessary. Once the image is in the right spot, select the path you would like to clip to in your Layers panel. Move that layer directly below the image. Select both the image and the path layer and click on the Clip tool in the design bar. You can duplicate this clip for the other side of the flag by holding the Alt key on your keyboard while dragging the image. This can be flipped horizontally using the Flip Horizontal tool. You can add texts in various fonts and sizes using the Text tool.